Hello everyone, welcome to the channel GyaanTech. Today we are starting a complete Windows learning series, where you will learn everything about Windows step by step, from beginner to advanced level. What is Windows? First, let's understand what Windows is. Windows is an operating system. An operating system is a software that controls your computer and manages the communication between hardware and software. Without Windows or another operating system, your computer cannot work properly. What can you do with Windows? With the help of Windows, you can do many things such as: why Windows is important? Windows is important because it helps you use software applications, manage your files and folders, connect devices like printers and USB drives. Protect your computer with security features. 1. Open applications so you can run programs like Chrome, Microsoft Word, Excel, Photoshop, and many others. 2. Manage files. You can create, save, delete, and organize documents, photos, and videos. 3. Task Manager, which use for live monitor computer hardware resources. 4. Control Panel. Windows helps control devices like the keyboard, mouse, printer, speakers, and other hardware. 5. Connect to the Internet. You can connect your computer to Wi-Fi or LAN and browse the Internet. 6. Network Connection. Windows provide network tool for create computer network. 7. System Configuration. Windows System Configuration provide for boot configuration. Microsoft has released many versions of Windows. Some of the most popular versions are Windows 7, Windows 10, Windows 11 today. Most computers use Windows 10 or Windows 11. If you enjoyed this video, follow for more, share with friends, and save for later.